transforming police boxes, and a souvenir cup. It must be Fan Mail Friday. There you are. Welcome back. Yes, it's time for yet again another episode of Fan Mail Friday. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure where I open up the cool things that people send to me. And, sending things to me, never required. But if you ever choose to do so, the address where you can send cool things is in the description of every video I make. Awesome. We've got 2 envelopes, 2 packages to get through, and just look at this.
Vintage.
This is Seen Things, man. All right, well, we're saving that one for last. Let's do an envelope first. We've got Gloria or Shipman. Gloria it is. All right, Gloria, let's open up this letter. Oh, everything's just right here. Okay, inside, right off the bat, self-addressed stamped envelope. I love seeing that. Whoa, $10 US for the kids. Gloria, you're fantastic. Just so you know, handwritten and great writing too. Wow. Hi Joel, it's me. Bucks for your charity, and if you would kindly send me a sticker, that would be great. Love your show and knowledge you share. Gloria. You bet, Gloria. Gloria, we'll take care of some stickers, but you did send in $10 US, so let's get down to business. First things first. Thanks for the money for the kids, Gloria, and thank you for your handwritten note. So kind of you. Gloria, you get stickers. Next up is the box. This one. This is from Chris Rowland's gift, Police Toy Box. It's wrapped well. Let's take a look. Police Toy Box. Police Toy Box. Now, obviously, the TARDIS is a police box. So maybe there's a TARDIS on the inside. I don't know. And inside, looks like a letter and, it looks like a TARDIS.
Fantastic.
And some assorted packing things. Wow, and an old school box. Let's set that aside. Got a note, but first, this is wrapped incredibly well. Okay, there it is. Hey Joel, it's me. High five. Hey, high five. At the start of the pandemic, I got myself an Ender 3 Pro to stop myself from going insane while stuck at home. And a month ago, I finally swapped it out for a Prusa Mini Plus, which has sped up prototyping massively. This machine is just incredible. I've gone from maintaining a printer to just printing. The holy grail right there.
God be praised.
Thanks to this, I finally finished a project I've been working on and off since 2013. You've been a massive inspiration for me to push forward, and I thought you'd appreciate my design, so included as my transforming police box toy, Navy Knight. Another high five. Not Janet! Not Janet, hey! Okay. Oh my gosh, this is printed? It's gorgeous. Let's see, it's a transformer, which means it must transform. Oh, I see. It's got a sword, because all police boxes need swords, and I would imagine that is going to be a shield right there. I don't want to break it, and I also feel like using the instructions would be a little bit of cheating. Oh, there we go. Aha. Don't fall over. Oh, wait, there's more. Well, if this ain't cool. Oop, nope, sword stay up. I did it! Okay, here, watch this. Thank you. Next is this envelope right here from Shipman, Utah. Shipman in Utah. Shipman. Inside, we have, just making sure I got everything. I did. A self-addressed stamped envelope. I know what that means. $2 US. And a note. 3DPN, it's me. Big fan of your YouTube channel. I started watching before I even had a 3D printer. have learned and been entertained by you and your team now for years. Thanks for creating the good content. The money is for Seattle Children's Hospital, and the envelope is for 3DPN stickers, if you don't mind. Thanks, Mark Shipman. Oh, Mark. Yes, let's do this. Let's get down to business. First things first. Mark, thank you for being a longtime fan, and thanks for that money for the kids. With this envelope right here, I'm going to get to you 2 stickers. Mark, you get stickers. All right, last, and certainly not least, is this box that has seen better days. This is from Belgium. Alrighty then. I'm almost scared. A little scared? Mostly scared? And inside we've got hay or straw. For packing material, obviously. Okay. Let's just, I'm gonna make a mess. It's fine. Okay. And there's no note. It doesn't have a name? No. Saba. Let's take a look. Just first of all, this is the first time I've gotten this sort of packing material. I kind of like it. Inside is this well-wrapped thing. I don't believe it's 3D printed. It's a chalice of some sorts. Like, I feel like I should be drinking mead from it, or maybe wine. I don't know. There's nothing in the box that would detail any sort of anything. Souvenir, it's an international package, and so the description says it's a souvenir cup from Belgium. Saba in Belgium sent this, and I am without words. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. I don't know what I would use it for, but I appreciate it. Thank you. Some incredible things came this way, and I'm so thankful that they were sent to me. Again, if you want to send anything cool into the show, feel free to do so. It's never required. If you do choose to do so, the address where you can send cool things is in the description of every video I make. Thank you for coming along on this journey and finding this cool stuff with me. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, print all the things. And as always, high five.